welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, for those of you who do not know me. And for today's episode, I am going to give a third idea for a baby elephant themed baby shower. Or I'm showing you a balloon garland that will fit nicely with your theme. Before we go any further, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. Now, I'm going to begin by just letting you know what comes in this kit. So I got a balloon garland kit. In the last 2 episodes, I've been doing the baby elephant theme. So for the first one, we did a baby elephant diaper cake. For the second episode based on this theme, I did a centerpiece. So now I've already did the balloon garland. This is my first organic balloon garland. So I didn't want to do it on camera because I'm still kind of learning how to work with the balloon garland. But let me just give you the name of this kit, and I think you're gonna really like this. And I think it's a really good deal. Okay, it's called Hiquaty. I hope I pronounced it correctly. In the description of this kit, you have blue, silver, white balloon garland kit. It has 120 pieces. It consists of royal blue and silver metallic balloons. So I think the 120 pieces is the balloons. Also, you get a strip of tape to help you make the balloon garland, and then you get some glue dots. Now, the cost for this kit is only $12.99, and it has everything that you need, and these are some good quality balloons. So just to give you a breakdown of the balloons, you have 15 5-inch light blue balloons, 15 5-inch metallic silver balloons, 30 10-inch royal blue, 30 10-inch light blue, 15 12-inch silver, and 15 12-inch white. So you have a variety of colors, and that's why I chose it. And also you have some variations in the size, so that really makes the balloon garland look really nice. Now, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to show you what I created, and then I'm just going to talk to you a little bit more as I'm showing you how it looks up close. As you can see, my balloon garland is a little bit more lengthy, so you can choose to make yours a little bit shorter, and that will give you an opportunity to make yours look a lot more fuller than mine is. So as you can see in the video, you will see some gaps in my balloon garland and some places that I could have filled it in more. So it might be a good idea to save your 5-inch balloons to the end to fill in those gaps. Now, I blew up my balloons with a balloon pump. Since it's 120 of them, I did check and confirm it is 120 balloons. So it is going to be a lot of work to blow them up. For the smaller balloons, you want to use a hand pump. I inserted the balloons in the tape, the strip of tape all on one side, and still was able to get this nice full look. I arranged the balloons. I kind of followed like a little pattern. Since I had more of the 10-inch, I had 60 of the 10-inch, I kind of did those, and then like I kind of sparingly put in my 12-inch balloons, and then I inserted a couple of 5-inch balloons as well. I attached this balloon garland to the backdrop using fish line, but my fish line is not that strong, so I would suggest having some stronger fish line and using some ribbon. I would say to assemble this, it took me like 3 or more hours because I don't have a lot of experience with this. Maybe it would have been quicker. So what do you think about this balloon garland kit? Is it worth the money? Let me know. Leave a comment below. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you know of anybody that has a baby shower and this is their color scheme, or if they're doing the baby elephant theme, go ahead and share this video with them. Thank you for viewing my video today. Until I see you next time. Bye.